If anyone wants a good laugh, go to my Fiero video that I did a while back, the Pontiac Fiero video, and just read all the comments. I think it got shared on a Fiero group or something, because there has been some angry Fiero owners. So take a look at some of them comments. So what's up? Backward and the fucking G. I did make a video last week, but it was mostly me just welding and then shouting at my welder, and then welding and then shouting at the welder. So I've got most of this side done. I did get a bit of warpage, which I was pissed off about, so I hit it with a hammer from inside while it was warm. And then because I was fucking rushing, I ended up hitting the actual panel, so I need to get a nice dolly and dolly all this side back. But it's not too bad, but I've only got a few bits to do on this side now, a few more bits to weld, and then I can sand it all down, just a few holes and a few bits of shit to weld up, and then I can, this arch is finished, and then I've just got to do, let's say, a bit more on inside, and as soon as I've done inside, I'll jump on the other side. The other side's the same, probably the same state that this is in, probably welded up and stuff, but it's frustrating. It's just fucking killing me, because I was hoping to be done by now. I missed out on a friggin' disc swap on the rear, like friggin' mong. So I messaged the guy yesterday. He said he'll do it for 60 quid. I went to buy it today and it's sold, so I was kind of pissed off that, like, it's been up for like months, and then the day that I won it, it's sold. As soon as I've done all these arches and got all welding done, I'll be stripping all the car down and then buffing underneath and undersealing it all and welding up any bits that I find. So hopefully not a lot. So right, I'm gonna crack the fuck on. I can't believe it fits. I really can't. I really can't believe that bumper fits. See, that's up there. Not a massive gap there, but that's the metal. Nothing I can do there. Bit shit like, but yeah, it fits in that gap there, it fits in there, and it fits there. Holy ball sack, there's a bit of a gap under there, but you'll never fucking notice it. Holy ball sacks, my fucking bumper actually fits. I'm gonna let this cool down for a minute, because this is what I wasn't doing on the other side as well. I was gung-hoing it, and then not really waiting for it to cool down, so just wait 20 minutes. It's been a few minutes. Back to welding. And then I'm not gonna sand this tonight. I'm gonna weld it and I'm gonna leave it, and then I'll come back and I'll sand it. So, gotta stop rushing. Always rushing. Everything needs to be done dead quick. This side is done. So that side is all finished. Just gonna sand it all down. Looks a bit grotty now because of the welds. I managed to turn the welder right down. That's the wrong side. I turned the welder right down and turn the speed up a bit so that I could kind of get something like bit rate for the first time. First time ever welding anything. It will be sound. Hopefully, one more video. So, what I might do, I might not even video it. Might not video the next round of welding because it's the same. But I'm going to VTech Junkies on Sunday, and I'll do a video there because Luke B had messaged me the other day, and he's got the same car as Nav, so he's got an EG with a K20 swap in it, but Luke's has got the DC5 gearbox, if I remember, with an LSD and the JDM gear set. So where Nav's is just a UK DM K20. So it'll be nice to go in both and then see which one. And I think Luke's is going to be, because he's had it remapped as well, and he's got a Skunk 2 Ultra intake. We'll see it all in video anyway. So hopefully, I think I'm going to go NA. I want to go turbo, but I think it'll just be undrivable because it's going to be so light. It's a dilemma, so I think I'm just going to do an NA K-swap. It's a bit boring, but I've not had a raw NA for ages, and I've had the turbo, and sometimes it is undrivable. Sometimes there is places where it's just like, oh, you're too quick, you're too fast. Majority of the time, it's when you're coming into corners, you're always hitting corners. Anyone that's got a turbo K20 or anything that's relatively fast, you're always coming into stuff too fast because you're accelerating, then there's a fucking corner, so you're just, you know, I don't know. It's great fun, bypass bashing and stuff like that, but I think I just want some raw NA power, so I probably will end up forging it. If I go NA, then I'll be doing cams and everything like that, trying to get that 10,000 rev range, because that's the aim now, I think. I've done a turbo Civic, and there's only more and more and more power what I can do, and I just think, I've already done a turbo Civic. Let's build a really mega NA one, I think. It costs probably more, twice as much, and I'll probably get ITBs and shit. I might just go all out, sell all my turbo bits, and go all out on their thingy, on an NA, get some ITBs in it and stuff like that. I think. Let me know what you think. Turbo or a mega NA. Okay, I've had turbo, so you know, it just sits on my fucking drive. It doesn't go anywhere because like the weather now is too shit for a turbo car. But yeah, we'll see how it is. See how it goes. Right, no worries. Next time you see me, hopefully I would have got the inner arches done, and I can just show you around everything I've done. I've probably got it fillered, sorted the other side out, and I'll be on with undersealing it and getting all the bits off so I can get them powder coated and hopefully get myself a rear disc conversion. EK rear disc conversion. If you've got one on an MB6, I need one.